Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, can ants make mud tunnels? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants can make mud tunnels to protect themselves and their eggs from predators, maintain a suitable temperature, build nests and colonies, make smooth routes to connect with the food source and get moisture for rotted wood or other moist places. They mix soil secretion, saliva and sawdust to make loose tunnels, which can collapse with a slight touch. You often notice them in your backyard or inside the house where the wooden furniture or moisture is present. People confuse the termite and ant tunnels because the carpenter ants and fire ants tunnels look similar to the termites but are different. Not all ants build mud tunnels, but some species make them for some reasons. Different insects prey on ants and eat them, which causes them to have security precautions to protect them and their eggs. They make the mud tunnels to have a safe and protective environment and avoid attacks from predators and other intruders. It is difficult for you to notice them in your backyard from the moist wood to their nest, and they keep on living and surviving without any fear of being caught by predators. They keep their larvae safe from many external threats, such as moth butterflies targeting the eggs as they hatch because they have heavy and have strong exteriors. They are small compared to preying insects and cannot survive if they see their nest. Therefore, they use these roots as protection to hide and travel safely toward their nest. They cannot withstand freezing and hot weather. Some insects form mud tunnels to maintain the temperature while traveling to their colonies. It also helps them to survive different weather conditions, as it acts as the cover and travel safely to their destination. They make tunnels to maintain a warm temperature for the young larvae. They help them to regulate the temperature according to the outside environment, such as the eggs remaining warm in cold weather and cool in direct sunlight with high temperatures in summer. I noticed a mud tunnel of fire ants in my backyard and the outside garden of my house, so I examined their activities and concluded that they form these tunnels and make their way to their living place, as no one can notice their activities inside this area. Ants live, travel, and place their eggs inside the mud tunnels to grow the larvae and build nests or colonies in a suitable environment. The fire ants make 7 to 8 inches high mud tubes using the soil, debris, and other organic waste. The mud falls and causes them to spread and run away when you disturb their traveling path. You can easily spot them in the seams around the mud bricks in your backyard or garden and around the moist wood, which attracts these insects. They can extend to many feet if the infestation is severe, especially in old houses with mud bricks instead of cement mortar. They start making their colonies by laying thousands of eggs and protecting them in this safe environment to thrive until they become adults. They make clean and smooth mud tunnels, while termite tunnels are messy, which makes it easy to determine whether you have termite infestation or ants. The insects use them to travel to food resources, as they do not eat the wood and the soil. However, some ants eat dead insects and plant mold to survive. The worker ants travel through them to reach their food source and bring it back to their nest for larvae or to store it. They connect the underground or above the ground nest with the food source to reach it easily using the ability to build these tunnels. Not all ant species can have the ability to make these routes, but some can do it for their safety and survival. They make loose tunnels that can collapse as you touch them on the walls or the ground. They use the soil, organic waste products, and the saliva and release secretions to form tubes or tunnels. They start the process by digging the soil or collecting it from the ground if making tunnels on the wall, and combining it with secretions or saliva to form tunnel-like shape. They mix soil, wood sawdust, and saliva to make sticky mud, forming a tube on the walls or the ground from wood to their nest. People often think of the ant tunnel as termite, but the difference between the two is clear, such as the ant tunnel is not strong and compact, while the termites form a sturdy and compact tube on the wall, wood, or ground. Thanks for watching the video.